Hey guys, it's Laurel and Pierre, and today we are going to show you the Forest River V Bud. It is the 29V, B-U-D.
Whatever that stands for.
Well, we're going to show you. We're going to go inside.
Wildwood, 29V, B-U-D. We're still trying to figure out what the V stands for, the B and the U and the D. Typically it makes sense, but so we'll show you how much of a football field this can actually carry a football team in there. It is kind of huge and sleep a lot of people. It's phenomenal. Forest River product. Wildwood is the model, the brand. King Wi-Fi extender ready. Cell boosters. King satellite antennas is already prepped in there. We got a large compartment room in here. That's a nice feature to be able to put all our gizmo and stuff, but not the grill, because the grill we got a place for it. Nice awning, 2/3 of the length of the unit. Basic step, more ride steps. Refrigerator integrated into here. In the stove, already plugged in. Quick coupler. So that's a great. I like those. They put those griddle now. That's kind of nice. So nice feature that you can add for outside kitchen. Water spigot, furnace, radio system. Whoa, that must blast off. Look at that color. Propane. Yeah, propane, but I don't know if it's electric. That's what I was trying to figure out earlier, but it might be just propane. Sometimes Forest River does basic unit, so they actually put some bottom of the line type of deal. But they put some simile wood in there though. That's worth a fortune right there. Comes with a spare tire. I'm going to avoid you going on the other side since we can't walk there really.
We are at the Hershey show, so everything's kind of getting set up.
4,800 pound axles, so 2-axle unit. Mechanical leveling system from the front and the back. So you actually manually, and some people take a drill and take a socket and just go quickly with this. But so basic unit, but kids friendly, I can tell you this, because let's see what Laurel's going to show us in there.
Thank you for watching our videos. We'd love it if you'd hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell so you'll be notified when our next video comes out. Do you have a lot of children or grandchildren or visitors? Because this is a unit for you if you do. I think what I figured is you can sleep comfortably 10 people in here, and still it's large space. It's light, it's bright. I love that everyone is using the lighter materials. This sofa right here pulls out into a bed, pulls it right out. Underneath, there's a big storage compartment under there. Coming into the kitchen area, I'll stay on this side because you've got the table that also folds down into a bed. So I'm figuring you got at least 4 people that can sleep out here. In the kitchen, you've got your Furrion microwave as well as the 3-burner stove and oven, and your storage up above. Huge storage below the sink. Great place for the garbage or bigger items. And again, you've got a nice deep Furrion refrigerator. And
it is a 12 volt, by the way, so that's a nice feature that they added on.
Yeah, it's nice and cold too. That feels good because we need some AC.
See, that's the advantage with a 12 volt is we don't have power, but 12 volt is working.
And look at that pantry. Yep. Nice large pantry. But let's come into the bunk room. So this is unbelievable. So you've got this that pulls out directly into a bed. You've got your top bunk and another bunk here. So I figure you've got 2 more down here and then a person on each of these. So there's 5 people that can easily sleep in here, I think.
And then you got a door to throw them out in the morning so they don't have to come inside.
They have their own access to come in and out, which is great.
Yep.
Love the floor. The flooring is beautiful. This is probably where you would want your TV, but with this many people in here, I think you're going to spend a lot of time outside. You've got the Furrion fireplace below, and then you've got a rather large bath shower area. I love how bright and light this is in here. Again, you know, they've really utilized a lot of space nicely. Shower. It's a big shower. It really is. Huh. And then coming into the bedroom, it is a queen size bed. And you've got, this is almost like a pantry. So you've got nice storage over here. And then on each side of the bed, you can actually hang clothing. And you've got this little cubby right here. So you can stick things in there also that are easy access. Storage underneath the bed. So this is a nice unit. Great. If you've got a large family, I think you're going to love this. We're going to share with you our favorite features, so stick around. All right, we're going to share with you our favorite features on this unit. And for me, it's the bunkhouse. Now, granted, I'm not in an area where all my grandkids can come to visit, but if I could have a unit where I could have them all at once, this would be it. Because currently we're up to almost 14. So we can put a few on the floor too. So this is really a great unit for a lot of sleeping arrangements.
Like I said, this is a football team to bring unit. I mean, I'm stunned. It's surprising.
What's yours?
My favorite is what we see behind us. You see the size of those windows? It is phenomenal. It is bright in here, and it's really cool. I love it. And 12-volt refrigerator, and yeah, all the room is well thought out. So no,
it's beautiful.
This is a nice find for a whole crew or motorcycle people that goes all together the same weekend. So that's kind of nice. So yeah, I think again it shows that it has nothing to do with the destination.
It's all about the journey.